Before I start the video, I would like to tell you guys that investing in stock market is about patience, not about timing.
Watch the video till the end if you want to know which company is likely to do good in the future. Previously, I have discussed about stocks to buy in the bear market, stocks bought by ace investors like Ashish Kocharia and Dolly Khanna in the Q3 of FY 2025. USA and Russia shifting from gold reserves to Bitcoin reserves were also discussed in the first crypto coin made by the AI. Please do subscribe to my channel if you want to know more such news in the financial world. Well, topics for today would be business and net worth of Adani and Ambani, and what are all the subsidiary companies under each of this conglomerate, market share of these companies in each sector, future themes to invest in how these companies are adapting to each of it. In the end, I will tell you the companies in which I am going to invest so that I create wealth in future. Well, Mukesh Ambani is the eldest son of Dhirubhai Ambani, the founder of Reliance Industries. The Indian billionaire and the chairperson and the managing director of Reliance Industries Limited, a conglomerate with the interest in petrochemicals, oil, gas, telecom, retail, and so on. Gautam Adani is Indian businessman and the founder and chairperson of Adani Group. Well, he has dropped out of Gujarat University after his second year of bachelor's in commerce. Driven by passion for business rather than the continuing his father's textile business, Adani entrepreneurial journey began in 1978 when he moved to Mumbai to work as a diamond sorter for Mahendra Brothers. He later established a diamond brokerage firm in Zaveri Bazar, Mumbai. Well, if I go on like this, I will keep talking about them. Just look at the Forbes net worth of Mukesh Ambani. It is 1994.2 billion, and Gautam Adani it is 53.7. From 2015 to 2024, you can look at the wealth chart of both of these people. There has been a huge jump for both of them in the year 2020. Now, let us see the industries and where they are focused on. Well, Ambani's business are focused on petrochemicals, oil and gas, retail business, telecommunications, and digital services. When it comes to retail, they are on Reliance Smart, Reliance Digital, telecommunications, Jio, and digital services such as Jio has been lately producing films and even music. They have also recently bought the Disney Hotstar. Well, they are highly diversifying into renewable business as of now with the e-commerce Jio Mart also and the green energy. They are also buying into pharma. They have recently bought a pharma company for 45 million USD. After the Jio coming into the telecom industry, they have disrupted the whole market, making the Reliance tech-driven conglomerate. Now let us discuss about the Adani. Well, the core focus of Adani's business are infrastructure, energy, ports, renewable energy, mining, airports, agriculture business, and data centers. Well, renewable energy and green hydrogen are emerging areas of the significant market. He has always been the diamond merchant, but now he is just expanding his wings. He is also known for his dominance in Indian logistics and infrastructure sector. Now let us discuss about the top subsidiaries under Ambani. Under Ambani, Reliance Industries, Reliance Jio Infocom, Retail Ventures, Network 18 Media and Investment, Hathway Cables and Datacom Limited, Den Network is a software company, Reliance Industries Infrastructure, they have been building infrastructure. Of late, they have bought a new land in Nagpur or Mumbai, I guess. Alok Industries for textile. Lotus Chocolate has given a very good quarter in the chocolate market. They are always everywhere. Well, when it comes to Adani, the Adani Enterprises is the biggest of it. Adani Green Energy, Ports and SEZ is for the export and import. Adani Energy Solutions, Total Gas is for the cylinder market and all. Adani Power, they are expanding very rapidly. Adani Wilmar has recently come out of JV conglomerate which they had been in partnership for over the years. Well, Ambuja Cements for the infra development. ACC also, they have been aggressively acquiring all these cement factories and cement manufacturing units. Also, they are into NDTV. Just like how Reliance is in Network 18 Media and Investment Limited, they are also in NDTV. They own it. Now let us discuss more about this. Reliance gross debt is 3,24,622 crores. Retail alone has 41,317 crores of debt, and Jio has 54,350 crores of debt. You can look at how the industry's revenue segment are. Just take a look at them. The major segment is in oil to chemicals business. Also, there is a major in Reliance retail services, digital services, oil and gas, and financial services. Well, the gross debt of Adani is 50,124, which is quite less. But let me tell you, Ambani has recently paid his all debts. Actually, most of his maximum of his. But now he's again investing more into power and pharma. So which he has been raising funds. Where the next external debt for the Adani is 29,511 crores, gross external debt is 38,000. All of this together, they make over 1 lakh crores. Well, you can also check out the capital expenditure of Adani groups in FY25. Most of it is in airport business, roads, PVC, data centers, and other business. Well, after this slide, let us discuss the future themes. Well, I think EV is the future. Just check out the EV battery chargers, EV chargers, and charging infrastructure's valuation in 2023 and the projected growth in the next few years. From 6 to 29.41 billion in the EV battery chargers, 11 to 174. Look at the rapid growth in the next 10 years, over a decade. Well, charging infrastructure has a significant growth. Even there has been no significant data about this, but you just look at the raising number of EV cars over the time period from 2020 to 2024. But in the next 5 to 6 years, they are going to increase, and the need for the charging infrastructure will also be there. Where there is demand, there has to be supply, and Adani and Tata are aggressively moving into this business. Also, other than that, there is government support for the tax credit and other incentives in order to encourage EV adoption. Well, it has actually decreased the sound pollution, noise pollution, and also the smoke pollution. But there is a little bit of carbon footprint when they are using EV. Next, it is asset management. AUM Indian mutual funds industry over the past few years have increased. Just look at the chart. From 2018 to 2022, they have rapidly getting increased. As of the study period from 2020 to 2030, there is an estimated growth of 14% over each and every year. Just take a look into the charts. Well, the major players in this segment are SBI Mutual Funds, HDFC Asset Management, ICICI, Axis, Nippon, Motilal Oswal. Well, let me tell you, you cannot buy SBI asset under management company stock because they are only trading in grey markets as of now. By 2025, there is a projection that it is going to double. By 2030, actually, sorry. Well, the next is energy and power companies. From 2019, from 18 GW, which is gigawatts, there is an increase to 240 gigawatts from 2023 to 2024. There has been a year-wise peak. Take a chart, the right side chart, take a look into that. In the beginning, there was a lot of dependency on fossil fuel energy, but now they are making it full of renewable. Look at the charts. By 2030, it is going to totally depend on renewables rather than that of fossil fuels. Well, in the energy and power sector, the Central Electricity Authority of India has given an estimation for that 817 gigawatts by 2030. Also, by 2029 and 30, CEA estimates that the share of renewable energy generation would increase from 18% to 44%, while that of thermal energy is expected to reduce from 78% to 52%. India has always been a fully dependent country on thermal energy, but now it is going to split into nuclear, renewable, clean green energy. Well, the government is planning to set up 21 new nuclear reactors to be installed for the 15,700 MW by 2031, which are megawatts. Recently, there has been news that NTPC has acquired some land and they are bidding for the nuclear power plant in Uttar Pradesh or Bihar. Well, the total energy demand in India is set to increase by nearly 35% by 2035 to 1400 gigawatts. Just imagine where the India is going to go. There has been a huge demand for electricity and power. Well, let us now look into where are Ambani and Adani investing. Are they actually investing in the right areas? And where would I invest when they are investing into such things? Reliance Industry, with an increasing investment in pharma, EV, semiconductor, EV batteries manufacturing, has given me a good look so that even I also invest. As of January 2025, both Adani Enterprises and Jio Financial Services are projected to experience a significant growth in their respective sectors. Here's a concise overview. Expected to achieve a compounded annual growth rate of 17.5% in consolidated revenue over FY24 to 27, reaching approximately to 1.56 trillion by FY27. Well, when it comes to global revenues, they are not yet figured out, but there will be a significant growth over there as well. When it comes to Jio, look at the asset management, NBFC, non-banking financial services, mutual fund services, BlackRock Giant. Well, there has been not yet much news about the NBFC, but the company is still working on the software side of the NBFC. They are going to start maybe in this year itself. Also, there is a huge demand in the energy sector. I think Adani is catering for the whole services required. Well, the metals and minerals, Adani Enterprises hold a significant position, being one of the India's largest coal importers and traders. Though its subsidiaries, the company has a notable presence in Indian energy sector, encompassing both conventional and renewable energy resources. I would definitely look into Adani Enterprises because it has got the highest market capital. They are into minerals and metals, exports, energy and power, and infrastructure as well. When it comes to digital infrastructure also, they are always there with the wires, cables and all. Please take a look into Reliance Industries, Jio and also Adani Enterprises. Okay guys, please do comment what content should I do for the next video. Should I make how to earn crypto through playing games for free, or should I make a video on mutual funds to invest now and how to divide the mutual fund portfolio? Please do subscribe to my channel.